Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to pin a message on a Zoom channel. This is a really useful feature when you need to keep important information visible at the top of your channel, whether it's meeting links, project deadlines, or key announcements that everyone needs to see. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your Zoom app on your device and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the main Zoom interface where you can access all the features and tools available to you. Now, take a look at the left sidebar of your Zoom interface. You'll see several options listed there for navigating different parts of the app. Click on Team Chat. This section is where all your direct messages and channel conversations live, making it easy to collaborate and communicate with your team members in real time. After clicking on Team Chat, you'll notice the left panel displays all your available channels and direct message conversations. From this list, click on the specific channel where you want to pin your message. This could be a project channel, a department channel, or any group chat where you need to highlight important information. Selecting the right channel ensures that your pinned message reaches the intended audience. Once you're inside the channel, scroll through the chat history to locate the exact message you want to pin. This message should contain the critical information you want everyone to see immediately when they open the channel. Take your time to find the right message, as pinning helps reduce clutter and keeps essential details front and center. When you've found the message, hover over it and you'll see three dotted lines appear, typically on the right side of the message. Click on these three dotted lines to open a menu with several options for managing that message. This menu gives you various actions you can take, from editing to deleting. But what we're focusing on today is pinning. From the menu that appears, click on Pin for Everyone. This action will pin the message to the top of the channel, making it visible to all members every time they open that conversation. Pinned messages stay at the top regardless of how many new messages are sent, ensuring that important information doesn't get lost in the flow of conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully pinned a message on your Zoom channel, making it easy for everyone to access critical information instantly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.